hub central spacers offer several advantages over non-hub centric spacers. A hub centric spacer is designed with a step that provides a more precise alignment between the spacer and the hub assembly. This precise alignment ensures a tight and secure connection. Non-hub central spacers rely solely on the bolt pattern and surface pressure for alignment. This can lead to issues such as uneven force distribution and potential for movements or vibration during operation.
In order to distinguish the real BONOSS wheel spacers and protect customers' interests, BONOSS has built a completely authentication system. When you get BONOSS wheel spacers, check the authentication code on the package. Each BONOSS Genius product is engraved with BONOSS, which are manufactured with BONOSS' own factory. The quality is guaranteed. BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. Compared with ordinary aluminum alloy 7075 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 5 times higher. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!